Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting presentation on DTC B1575, which indicates an auto light sensor error, specifically for the 2023 Honda Accord. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, suggests an issue with the automatic lighting control unit sensor. Understanding this code helps diagnose problems related to the vehicle's automatic lighting systems, which are crucial for safety and convenience. The automatic lighting control unit sensor is responsible for detecting ambient light levels, allowing the vehicle to adjust its headlights accordingly. When an error occurs, the system stores this DTC to alert the technician about the malfunction. Our aim today is to guide you through the detailed troubleshooting steps necessary to address this issue effectively. DTC B1575 indicates a malfunction in the automatic lighting control unit sensor. This sensor is crucial as it detects ambient light levels to automatically adjust the headlights, enhancing visibility and safety when driving. Its primary location is at the front of the vehicle, usually integrated into the dashboard or windshield area, ensuring optimal exposure to ambient light. When this sensor detects an error, it triggers the DTC, indicating that there is an abnormality in the lighting system's operation. Understanding the function of this component allows technicians to diagnose and fix the issue effectively. The automatic lighting control unit sensor plays a vital role in adapting to changing light conditions, ensuring that drivers have adequate visibility during day and night conditions. Several possible causes can trigger the DTC B1575, beginning with a faulty automatic lighting control unit sensor itself. If the sensor malfunctions, it may not accurately assess ambient light, leading to erroneous operations of the lighting system. Additionally, wiring issues can result from wear, corrosion, or physical damage, impacting the sensor's ability to function properly. It's important to check for damaged wiring and ensure proper connections throughout the circuit to avoid false readings. Furthermore, problems with the connectors used in this sensor circuit can disrupt communication between the sensor and the vehicle's central system. Properly understanding and diagnosing these causes is essential in effectively addressing the DTC. When DTC B1575 is present, several symptoms may become apparent. One potential symptom is the illumination of a dashboard warning light, signaling that there's an issue with the automatic lighting system. Drivers may also notice that the headlights malfunction, either failing to turn on or off at appropriate times. Additionally, inconsistent lighting behavior can be a significant indicator, where headlights may remain on in bright daylight or fail to turn on during dusk. Recognizing these symptoms early can assist in preventing further complications and ensure timely repairs. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC B1575 begins by turning the vehicle to the on mode. In this mode, the vehicle's electronic systems become active, allowing access to various diagnostic functions. This is essential for checking whether the automatic lighting control unit sensor is reporting any DTCs. Accessing the central system will involve using specialized diagnostic equipment, often referred to as the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, which is capable of reading error codes and data from various vehicle modules. It is crucial to verify whether this DTC is present in case of multiple codes being logged in the system. Starting with this method allows for a structured approach in diagnosing the sensor error accurately. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the automatic lighting control unit sensor thoroughly. Begin by checking for proper connections between the sensor and its wiring harness. Loose or corroded connections can lead to communication issues, causing the system to store the DTC. Also, assess the wiring for any visible damage, such as fraying or cuts, which may cause electrical interruptions. A careful and meticulous examination ensures that all components are securely connected and functional. If any wiring issues or connection problems are identified during the inspection, these must be addressed before further diagnostic steps can be pursued. This foundational step is crucial in confirming whether the sensor is receiving the correct inputs. If the first two steps do not resolve the issue, the next step is to replace the automatic lighting control unit sensor. When performing this replacement, it's vital to follow precise installation guidelines provided in the Honda service manual. Carefully installing the new component ensures it operates seamlessly with the vehicle's existing systems. After replacing the sensor, it's crucial to erase any stored DTCs using the HDS, which resets the system and allows for a fresh start in monitoring the new sensor's performance. This step is important for validating the repair work done and confirming that the new sensor is functioning correctly without any remaining fault codes. Following these procedures guarantees effective resolution of the underlying problem. After completing the troubleshooting and repairs for DTC B1575, it's time to verify the effectiveness of the repairs. Begin by testing the operation of the new automatic lighting control unit sensor. This is a crucial part of the repair verification process, as it confirms whether the new sensor is correctly detecting ambient light levels. Next, check for any reappearance of DTCs using the HDS, ensuring that the sensor is functioning properly without logging new errors. Finally, document your findings and results from the testing phase. This documentation is not only critical for maintaining comprehensive repair records, but also aids in future diagnostics if similar issues arise again. To avoid encountering DTC B1575 in the future, engaging in regular preventive maintenance is essential. Start by routinely inspecting components related to the automatic lighting system to ensure they remain in proper working order. Maintaining the wiring and connections in good condition prevents wear and potential failure, which are common causes of DTC emergence. Additionally, regularly monitoring the overall performance of the automatic lighting system allows for early detection of minor issues before they escalate into major faults. Establishing a maintenance schedule and integrating these practices into vehicle care can ensure optimal performance and longevity of the lighting system, preventing the occurrence of DTCs and related repairs. In conclusion, DTC B1575 refers to an auto light sensor error in the 2023 Honda Accord, indicating possible malfunctions within the automatic lighting control unit sensor. Following a structured approach in the troubleshooting process, from initial inspection to replacement, is crucial for effective diagnosis and repair. After repairs, ensuring thorough verification of the new sensor's operation and erasing any stored DTCs confirms that the issue has been resolved. Additionally, implementing a preventive maintenance routine can significantly reduce the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future. Understanding these procedures equips technicians to address these faults efficiently, ensuring vehicle safety and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.